Tesla, the electric vehicle company once seen as unstoppable, is facing a reckoning. The numbers paint a stark picture. Since December 2024, Tesla's share price has plummeted by a staggering 50%. This precipitous drop, from a high of 488 rupees to a low of 200 to 214 rupees, has left investors reeling and analysts scrambling for answers. What was once a meteoric rise has become a dizzying descent. This isn't just a blip on the radar, it's a full-blown crisis for the electric vehicle giant. Tesla's woes are further compounded by its recent financial performance. In the first quarter of 2025, the company missed earnings estimates by a significant margin. Earnings per share plunged by 40%, sending shockwaves through the market. Revenue also took a hit, declining by 9% compared to the previous year. These dismal figures have only served to amplify investor anxiety, further fueling the stock's downward spiral. This isn't just a case of market jitters, it's a sign that Tesla's once unassailable position is under threat. The company faces challenges on multiple fronts, from increased competition to growing public scrutiny. The road ahead looks bumpy, and Tesla's ability to navigate these challenges will determine its fate. Will it regain its footing and reclaim its position as an industry leader, or will this downturn mark the beginning of a more permanent decline? While Tesla grapples with its woes, a crisis is brewing across the Atlantic. The European market, once a stronghold for Tesla, is slipping away. Sales figures tell a tale of declining dominance. In key European markets, Tesla is witnessing a dramatic reversal of fortune. Germany, a bastion of automotive excellence, has seen Tesla sales plummet by a staggering 62%. France, another crucial market, hasn't fared much better, with sales down by 40%. The trend is consistent across the continent, with Belgium, the Netherlands, Norway, Sweden and Denmark all experiencing significant declines. The only bright spot? The United Kingdom, where Tesla sales have bucked the trend and actually increased by 6%. This decline in European sales is a major blow to Tesla. Europe has long been a key market for the electric vehicle maker, accounting for a significant portion of its global sales. The reasons behind this exodus are multifaceted, ranging from increased competition to shifting consumer preferences. Tesla isn't just battling declining sales, it's also facing a wave of public discontent. The Tesla takedown movement, a grassroots campaign that emerged in 2015, has gained renewed traction in recent months. This movement, fueled by a combination of environmental concerns, labor issues, and ethical considerations, has targeted Tesla with protests, boycotts, and even vandalism. Tesla showrooms have become sites of protest, with demonstrators accusing the company of greenwashing, unfair labor practices, and unsafe working conditions. Social media has become a battleground, with the hashtag #TeslaTakedown trending on several occasions. The movement has even spilled over into the real world, with reports of Tesla vehicles being vandalized in several countries. This growing wave of activism is a sign that Tesla can no longer afford to ignore its critics. The company's reputation, once synonymous with innovation and sustainability, is being tarnished by accusations of hypocrisy and corporate greed. Tesla needs to address these concerns head-on if it hopes to regain the trust of consumers and investors alike. Section 4. Musk's missteps, when politics and business collide. No discussion about Tesla's recent troubles would be complete without mentioning the elephant in the room, Elon Musk. The enigmatic CEO, once hailed as a visionary genius, has become a polarizing figure whose actions are increasingly seen as a liability for the company he leads. Musk's outspoken nature and penchant for controversy have long been a source of both amusement and consternation. However, in recent years his behavior has taken a more overtly political turn, alienating a significant portion of Tesla's customer base. Musk's open support for Donald Trump, a deeply divisive figure, has sparked outrage among many Tesla owners, particularly in liberal-leaning Europe. His decision to move Tesla's headquarters to Texas, a state with a more business-friendly environment but a less progressive social climate, has further alienated some customers. Musk's political pronouncements and actions have consequences. They are alienating a segment of Tesla's customer base and tarnishing the brand's image. What was once seen as quirky and rebellious is now perceived by some as reckless and out. So, is this really the end of Tesla, or just the beginning of a new chapter? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the road ahead isn't smooth. What do you think? Is Tesla falling, or just recharging? Drop your thoughts below. I reply to every comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives like this.